Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is donated assets according to the US GAAP. Oh, what is donated assets? Donation usually is an enticement to do something that benefits the donor, recorded at their fair values based on either an available market price or an appraisal value. If we have no market price, no appraisal value, then maybe we cannot record it. But usually when we get any donated asset, especially if we are talking about long-term assets, we are able to measure it in some ways. According to the US GAAP, revenue is credit. So we get a donated asset, we got a revenue. Easy, easy like that. So let's go to our Excel file, and all our Excel files, they are free to download it, and the link is in our video description. And guys, subscribe our channel. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. And like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarpin. So what do we have here? And by the way, on the same file, we have according to the US GAAP and according to the IFRS. Okay? So Scarpin Enterprise decided to relocate. So Scarpin, my fake company, decided to relocate its office headquarters to the city of Moorhead, where I actually live. The city agreed to pay 40% of the $50 million cost of building the headquarters in order to entice Scarpin to relocate. The building was completed on May 3rd, 2021, and Scarpin paid its portion of the cost of the building in cash. What do we have here? Cost of building, $50 million. So, or is not the so it is the fair value of our building. That is how much we will pay on that. So the cost of our purchase, that is our fair value. So building, debit, $50 million. And the credit, we split it. How much we will be paying in cash, how much we will get the donation. So donation, 50,000 less times 40%. Because the city agreed to pay 40%. So this is our donation. And 50 less 20, cash is how much we will pay. So debit, building, credit, cash, and credit, revenue, donation of asset. And this revenue is 100% on the current year. So we don't split this revenue even if the building will uh, give us future economic benefits for a lot of time. And that is the basic difference between US GAAP and IFRS. Okay, guys, so quite easy this one. So no problems on that. Thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.